Hello folks, Dave Schulke here with the Twin Home Experts. I just wanted to take a moment and answer the question that we get often. What is one of your least expensive options, but yet still have that quality and a decent, nice look? And right now I'm standing in our 60 by 32 Sterling Kohler shower system. Some of the benefits and features with this particular model is that it's got plenty of storage. You can see that you've got 3 shelves here. You also have 3 shelves here. For women that love to shave in the shower, you can put your foot here and actually gives you the ability to conveniently help you shave. The shower pan as well, very durable. It doesn't flex like your fiberglass. So as you can see here, it's solid. Again, there's absolutely no flexing. The material is not a fiberglass material. It's actually Kohler's proprietary material called Vicryl. It's made up of a very, very solid material that's not going to crack or fade. Let's talk about the cons. The cons here are you're not going to be able to have a panel that's going to go all the way up to the ceiling. So you're stuck with this dimension right here. So the other con would be the panel's a little noisy. It's not going to be on a solid surface, so you're going to get that noise factor. The other thing too is that you're only going to get this in like a white or a biscuit color, so you don't really have a lot of options when it comes to the colors. I do like though this alcove that they have here. It just gives you more sense of space. So let's talk now about price. For something like this installed, done in one day, it can go as low as $39.95 and as high as about $59.95. So those are the general price ranges as to what to expect for something like this. Let's go ahead and bring our customer in and see what the feedback is from a customer who's had this now installed for about a week. All right, so I'm here with our lovely customer Janet, who would like to take a moment and just share her experience with our services as well as her experience with this particular Sterling shower.
Okay, I love this company. We would recommend it to anybody. They were very punctual, professional. We love our new shower. Especially the place where you can put your shampoo and stuff. It's large enough where it actually fits.
Right,
and
right.
They have a
non-slip.
Non-slip surface and I love that too. So you don't have to put a mat in there. And they did extra things like this should have cost more money, but they kept the price that they promised us. And they also had to put in a new pipe in the drain. It was broken.
Right.
And we didn't know that, but anyway.
So you like the fact that we didn't come in here and then tell you you're going to have to spend more money. You like the fact that we kept our word.
Exactly.
And followed through with the project and included some of those extras, correct?
Right.
Awesome.
Yes.
Is there anything else that you can share with us that maybe we could improve on?
No, I was just really pleased. My husband and I both were just really pleased with everything from the time we called you to the time it was put in and done and finished. And your workers that put it in were great.
And we got it done in a day?
And you got it done in a day.
Awesome.
Yes.
Okay. Well, there you have it, folks. Thanks for watching.